Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer your Telegram account to a new computer. If you are switching to a new computer, you do not need to manually transfer your Telegram chats. First, on your old computer, open Telegram Desktop and log out of your account. Now, on your new computer, install and open Telegram Desktop. Click Start Messaging and enter the phone number connected to your Telegram account. Complete the verification process by entering the login code sent by Telegram. After you successfully sign in, your Telegram account will open on the new computer. Your cloud chats and conversations will automatically sync with your account. This means you can continue using Telegram on your new computer without manually transferring your chats. And that's how you can transfer your Telegram account to a new computer. I hope this guide was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.